Welcome to day 14 of Strong and 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 13, please go back and watch them. Like, literally go back and watch those. There's so many things that you all have missed. You need to make sure that you're watching that before you actually watch this one. If you guys already watched that, welcome to day 14. So day 14 is going to be actually tracking your disputes. So last few days we've been talking about actually sending your disputes and mailing them out, what you need to include with them. Now you guys need to actually track them. So that's going to be a huge thing. Now don't forget, when you guys have your workbook, you guys have plenty of space for tracking. You can actually track it in the back of your workbook, so you have space right here to actually track it. You guys have access also to a free course that come along with your book, where I teach you guys more about how to actually use your workbook to fully track it. Okay, how you can write everything on here. And don't forget, tracking is also the biggest thing of tracking is actually tracking your certified receipts. So you can actually just put your certified receipt tracking number in there and actually track what's the 31 days from that. But you want to make sure that you're tracking it so you can know when you have to pull your credit reports again and when you have to actually send out your next letter. And you'll also be able to look and see your 31-day mark, which is the biggest thing. So you need to know what's the 31st day from the day that they actually got it. And then once you know that 31st day, then you'll know, okay, this is the day. The next day is the day I need to actually pull my credit reports. That's the day when I need to actually send out more disputes. So you got round 1, which is what we've been talking about, that go to the credit bureaus. You got round 2, which you want to send letters to the credit bureaus, but also every single company that said that they were verified. The ones that got deleted, that's fine. But the ones that say it's verified, these are your accounts, the account is 100% correct, those are the ones that we want to send another letter out for, okay? So I want you guys to actually do your round 2, but I want you guys to track first your round 1, because once you track your round 1 perfectly like a pro, then you can move on to your round 2. So you want to make sure that you go into day 14 of your book and actually track it. So I said you can actually use this workbook, you can actually use the spreadsheet. You want to make sure that you label it saying, hey, this tracking number right here is for TransUnion. This tracking number right here for Experian. This is one for Equifax. You want to make sure that you're tracking it amazingly. That's all I can say. Just track it perfectly. That's all I'm saying. Because if you guys don't track it perfectly, you pull your credit reports on the 29th day, you pull it too early, then you got to pay for another credit report, because you got to give them the 30 days to do your disputes and for you guys to actually see what your results are going to be. So make sure that you're tracking it perfectly. And if you guys get that 6 months of free dispute letters, all you have to do is just make sure that you're mailing them out. I still suggest that you send them out certified mail and just tracking. That's going to be the biggest thing for you all, okay? And if you haven't already, make sure you guys get your 3-book bundle. I know that I've been selling out, and hopefully you guys will be able to see them down below. If you see them down below, they're not sold out right now. You need to get them while I have them available. I have more books coming, but literally my book's been selling out since I started. Really, they've been selling out, so I want you guys to get your copies now. If you see that there, that means you can purchase it, like literally get it. So you're going to get the Strong and 75 workbook, the one we're working on. We're on day 14. Also, to raise your credit score 100 points in 30 days. And you're going to get that suing to win in there, okay? So make sure you guys get your 3-book bundle. And again, just start tracking your disputes. You can do it right inside of here. You can just put on here simply TransUnion. This is the number. This is the tracking number. Experian, this is the tracking number. Equifax, here's the tracking number. And you can just put round 1 at the top. It can be as simple as that, and then put on there what's that date. So wait about 7 days, let them mail it out. After you actually mail them, let them actually mail it out, let them get it, and then you'll know the actual day that they got it. And then say, okay, what's the 31st day from that? Because that's the day you want to pull your reports. But I'll see you all for day 15. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you guys are going to track your disputes perfectly.